What are you saying? Oh, you're going back there. Oh, you jumped on my shoulder. You want to go on this? You want to go back on my head? So funny. It's like being used as a climbing frame. Are you okay? Let's zoom in on you a little bit. You're doing good up there. Okay, I'll let everyone know. Okay. You go and you nest yourself up there nice and good, okay? You sit there, oh cool. Make yourself comfortable. Well, it looks like I'm going to be like this for a while. Oh yeah. Oops. It's like I got a hat. Oops. There she's gone. We're all good.